Salam and good afternoon, my dear students, colleagues, friends, and dear ones. Today we will learn how to make multiple YouTube channels from one account. Means to say that from one Google account. So let's start. We will first open the browser, open YouTube. Now we will sign in. Here we type our Gmail account, password, not now. I have already made two channels on a single account. So every time when you log in into YouTube, it will ask which account do you prefer to use this time. If you check this box, it will not ask you again. So I will click OK. Wi-Fi is okay. Now we will go to the menu, go down, 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 and settings. Here in account, we have the option add or manage your channels. I have made two channels, that's why manage option has been shown here. If I click it, it will ask me to create a new channel. I click this, it would ask you a name, your brand account name, your account name, your channel name, and creation. I will not create at this moment. I just made this to tell you. Hope you guys understood. If you have any question regarding this, your channel list will be shown here. I'm using right now this channel, that's why it is highlighted. Okay, thank you so much. Subscribe my channel for more info. Comment below if you want to ask anything regarding this. If you want to ask anything other than this, kindly ask in comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.